All right, let me show you one of the most clever little device I ever owned. Now, this is an external battery, right? It's to carry around. I actually charge my laptop with this one, my actual Steam Deck, and my phones. Now, this is a must to take camping because not only do you have connections here, the USBs. If you guys see, it says in and out. That means you could charge the device itself or the Type C. It tells you 100 watts maximum. On this connection, it's only going to be going out, and it's going to be only up to 24 watts on this one. And of course, you got the Type A, which is 118 watts on this one. Now, it does have a light, a power button, and an LCD that displays how much percent of the actual usage is going out, and not only that, how much percent of the actual battery. Now, I didn't want to show you guys, but I kind of tilt it. It does have another charging station on the back, on the bottom, on the top actually, and this is an actually for the mag charge, and it's compatible with Droid and iPhones, and it has a little weight. So, but it's going to last you for the whole camping weekend if you're going to take this. To turn on the light, you're going to have to hold down the button. You turn it on once, and then you hold down the button, right? Now it comes up automatically, and then if you click again, it lowers down the light, and then it does the SOS light, and that's an SOS. The other one was more like a caution light, and then it just turns off just by holding the button. And like I said, you have up to 3 connections connecting at the same time, and then adding the top one. So can that be possible? Let's try it. All right, you guys can see I have 3 devices right now charging. All right, we got a flashlight, our iPad, which shows right now it's at 70% charging, and then we just got a light on. I don't have any percentage. I just turned it on right now. So we're charging all 3 devices, and it tells you right here how much voltage is going through. All right, right now we're at 31 watts, 30 watts actually, and it's 70% on. Now we're missing one more, the top. So we're going to flip this down, and then we're going to bring our phone. This is a Droid, all right, with a mag charge, all right, and then we just put it on the top, and there it is, start charging. So you could have all at the same time the devices from one little box. Very powerful, very simple, easy to take with you anywhere. It fits on a backpack actually. So if my idea is to have one of these devices in your car for all time, because not only for charging stations, but also because of the flashlight. It's very important now these days that if your car breaks down or anything, you want to have maybe a signal, make sure that cars are not going to hit you from behind with the SOS or the flashing lights. So a very convenient product to carry around your car. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, folks.